morning everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So for today's vlog I wanted to do a 24-hour day in my life. Due to the virus I cannot really do much and cannot really go out. I was planning on going to this exhibit in Paris, but the museum is closed, so I can't really do anything. So I decided to do a self-care home type of vlog. Today I'm gonna do actually a lot of stuff, some cleaning, some self-care, and watch Netflix, etc., some journaling, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along this nice self-care home type of day, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and give it up a thumbs up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I was gonna film another video, but I guess this video, I'm gonna keep it for next month. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Today is Saturday, March the 14th. It is currently 10:29. Just finished having breakfast, and I'm just gonna clean a little bit my room, do my bed, and yeah, let's see how this day goes. I'm just gonna take you guys along. This is quite spontaneous. So it's been a while and I finished getting ready. As you can see, kind of glowed up a little bit. It feels good to just take a minute to take care of yourself and just have a little bit of self-care, because I don't really do it all the time, but especially this year I've been trying to put it into my daily routines. So like during the weekends, at the end of the week, I always try to reset myself and do a little bit of skincare. So I did my nails. Like you saw, I kind of like decided to change up the nails color. So I wanted to do everything. So I just and then this is the other hand, and I really like it. It reminds me of spring and summer and everything together, and I'm excited. Even though there's this coronavirus happening, I'm still being positive and I'm just continue living my life, and you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, but you gotta take precautions. It doesn't mean you cannot do that, but you know. Anyway, so I did my makeup. Also, I've been really liking doing the minimal makeup look recently. So now I'm gonna plan some videos. I mentioned in January that I was gonna upload twice a week. This is my outfit for today. Just very simple. I really like this. This is my mom's shirt. I really like it. This is such like a spring stable shirt. And then my mom jeans. Anyway, so let's just go and see how the day goes. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of journaling, put some music on, and have fun. I'll just listen. It doesn't even cross your mind. Tell me that you're looking, but I know you're. So it's 4:48 in the afternoon and I just finished journaling. It was really nice just having an alone time to myself, just listening to some music, jamming out, cutting and gluing, all that fun stuff. Sometimes it's just nice to have an alone time by yourself, be with your thoughts and just, you know, just have a good relaxing time. So I think I'm gonna watch Mad Men for now and sit, eat some cake, and yeah, there's nothing really much to do. Literally, streets in Paris are freaking empty. There is nobody. So yeah, it's a good time to relax, to do stuff we haven't had the time to do, just take care of ourselves, relax, reset. I definitely advise you to do that if you're watching this. Like, take a day for yourself. So yeah, let's go eat some cake. I wish I had like a little bit more space for